Matatag Curriculum, Music and Arts, Grade 4, Quarter 1, Lesson 2, Culture and Cultural Identity.
Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si...
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you!
Hello kids, how are you today? Are you ready for today's class? If yes, then let's start. Our topic is about culture and cultural identity. Again, this is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Learning competency. Describe concepts and ideas about their cultural identity based on their representations in the creative works of their province. Objectives. Number 1, define culture and cultural identity. Number 2, identify the concepts and ideas about one's culture and identity. And last, number 3, describe the concepts and ideas about one's cultural identity based on the Sinacuan Festival of Pampanga. Let's have first an activity. Activity number 1. Remember me? Directions. Guess the word or concept represented by the picture by unscrambling the given jumbled letters. Take a look at the first picture. What is the answer? Correct. That is music. Picture number 2. What is the answer? Visual arts. Picture number 3. Exactly. Theater. How, how about picture number 4? Sinukuan Festival. Correct. And the last picture we have dance. Good job, kids. This time, let's have another activity. I know myself, I know my province. Directions. Show the learners the template below and let them contemplate their answers. Through recitation, let the learners answer the needed information. First, my name is blank. Second, I live in the province or city of blank. Third, we are called blank and we speak blank. Fourth, our province is known as the blank. And fifth, the famous food or delicacy in our province are blank. For our activity number 3, locate two important words from this crossword puzzle. These are the words to find: culture and identity. And here are the answers. Culture, identity. Did you find it? Good. For our guide questions, number 1, what are the words that you were able to find? Number 2, do you know the meaning of these words? Number 3, how do these words relate to our province's unique backgrounds and traditions? Before we start, let's define culture. Culture is the way of life, especially the general customs and beliefs of a particular group of people. It can be seen in people's behavior, the way they speak, dress, and do things. Culture is the shared characteristics of a group of people, encompassing place of birth, religion, language, cuisine, social behaviors, art, literature, and music. And here are 5 examples of culture here in the Philippines. First is festivals. Colorful celebrations like Sinulog and Panagbenga. Second is cuisine. Dishes like adobo, sinigang, and halo-halo. Third is bayanihan, community spirit of helping one another. Fourth is traditional clothing, barong Tagalog for men and terno for women. And the last one is tinikling dance, traditional dance involving bamboo poles. Let's go with cultural identity. Cultural identity is an important part of your self-image because it helps you feel more connected to those around you. It gives you the feeling that you belong to a group of people with shared qualities like birthplace, traditions, practices, and beliefs. Every creative work reflects one culture and identity. In this part of the lesson, the learners will be able to find deeper connections between a certain creative work and its locality or province where it is made or held. Activity number 4, group activity. Each group must be composed of 3 members. Encourage the learners to identify the traits, habits, practices, and other trivial things that make them kapampangans or it depends on where you live. For example, for Muntinlupa, they are called Muntinlupeños. For Imus, they are called Imuseños. So they may use this trending TikTok video as a pattern for their output. So again, this activity actually depends on where you live. We are Kapampangans, of course. We are Imuseños, of course. We are Muntinlupeños, of course. Okay, good luck! Groups are graded using the rubric below. Here are the criteria: cultural relevance, creativity and originality, overall presentation. So 4 points for exemplary, 3 points for proficient, 2 points for developing, and 1 point for beginning. Good luck! For our formative assessment, directions, encircle the letter of the correct answer. Number 1, it is shared characteristics of a group of people encompassing place of birth, religion, language, cuisine, social behaviors, arts, literature, and music. A. Arts, B. Beliefs, C. Culture. The correct answer is C. Culture. Number 2, it gives you the feeling that you belong to a group of people with shared qualities like birthplace, traditions, practices, and beliefs. A. Cultural awareness, B. Cultural diversity, C. Cultural identity. The correct answer is letter C. Cultural identity. Number 3, the upbeat version of this Kapampangan folk song is used in the Sinukwan Festival. A. Atin ko pong singsing, B. Manang biday, C. Pamulinawin. The correct answer is letter A. Atin ko pong singsing. Number 4, it is known as the culinary capital of the Philippines. A. Bulacan, B. Pampanga, or C. Tarlac. The correct answer is B. Pampanga. Number 5, the music used in the Sinukwan Festival is A. Loud, B. Moderate, or C. Soft. The correct answer is A. Loud. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!